Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with quick, focused moves. Turn off the screen or enable Do Not Disturb so the watch won't react while you work. Place the watch face down on a clean cloth to protect the glass. Then, press and hold one of the small band release buttons with your fingertip. Sliding the band out while holding it will free that side. Once done, repeat for the other side. These steps avoid scratches and ensure the lugs disengage cleanly so the band slides out smoothly. You now fit the replacement. Orient the new band so the text or design faces you and the rail lines up with the watch groove. Slide it straight across, don't angle or force it. Listen for a soft click that signals the spring mechanism engaged. Once done, tug gently on the band to confirm it's latched. Make sure both ends are flush with the case. Misaligned rails can pop loose, so if one end won't click, remove and reseat it squarely before proceeding. You finish by strapping the watch on and testing the fit and clasp under normal motion. Walk your arm and flex the wrist to verify nothing shifts. If a band feels stuck during installation, remove it and clear the groove with a dry microfiber cloth, then reattempt sliding it in. Debris often blocks the spring. Once done, reassess the fit. If problems persist or the rail won't lock, try another band to rule out a defective part or seek professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.